Hi, and welcome to a Whimsy Stamps product reveal. I am sharing the brand new 4x6 clear stamp called Calm Christmas. Here is a look at the awesome stamp set. There are 9 stamps in total, 5 images, and 4 sentiments. Our largest images are the fun little snowman that is 2 and 7/8 by 3 and 1/8, and our relaxing Santa at 3 and 3/8 and 2 and 1/8. There are 4 sentiments: warm, sandy, calm, and wishes, and unless you count our do not disturb sign for our relaxing Santa. Here is a fun shaker card I made using the sand sprinkles that were previously released from Whimsy. You can use the links down below in the description to purchase this brand new stamp set and to see all of the new products from today's release. Don't forget to also find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and our Facebook group for even more inspiration of this new release. Thanks and happy shopping!